Hello everyone. If you've recently upgraded to the Intel Arc B580, the new Battlemage star, you've likely encountered a frustrating phenomenon. Your PC works perfectly on a cold boot, but the moment you click Restart in Windows 11, your monitor goes black, displays no signal, and enters standby. This isn't a broken GPU. It's a sophisticated PCIe Link Training failure between Intel's new architecture and specific motherboards, particularly Ryzen 5000 series systems. Today, I'm going to walk you through the verified engineering fixes to solve this warm reboot bug once and for all. Why does this happen? In March 2026, we've identified that the B580 uses an aggressive power-saving controller. During a warm reboot, the motherboard doesn't fully reset the PCIe power rails. The B580 tries to wake up from an L1.2 low-power substate. But the PCIe controller on Zen 3 APUs, like the 5600G or 4750G, fails to complete the handshake within the required 10 millisecond window. The system times out, assumes no GPU is present, and you're left with a black screen while your PC fans are still spinning. The first and most effective fix is taking power management away from Windows and giving it back to your BIOS. Follow these steps. Restart your PC and spam the Delete or F2 key to enter the BIOS. Navigate to Advanced Settings and find PCI Subsystem Settings. Locate PCI Express Native Control and set it to Disabled, then find PCIe ASPM support and set that to Disabled as well. By disabling ASPM, you prevent the GPU from entering that deep sleep state during a reboot, ensuring the signal stays active. If Level 1 didn't solve it, we need to talk about bandwidth. While the B580 is a Gen 4 and 5 capable card, the link training timing is too tight on some boards. In your BIOS, find the PCIe slot configuration for your primary X16 slot. Change it from Auto or Gen 4 to Gen 3.0. Don't worry about performance loss. In 2026, the B580's real-world gaming performance on a Ryzen 5000 system is virtually identical between Gen 3 and Gen 4. What you do gain is 100% boot stability. That's the priority here. There is a specific conflict with the Windows 11 Build 28000 kernel. Its new hardware-enforced stack protection can sometimes block the firmware-handshake. Go to Windows Security, Device Security, then Core Isolation Details. Try toggling hardware-enforced stack protection to off. If this fixes it, keep an eye out for the next Intel Battlemage firmware update, as they are working on a permanent software patch for this conflict. Once you've applied these fixes, verify your stability. First, perform 3 consecutive restarts from the Windows Start menu. Second, open Device Manager and ensure the Intel Arc B580 is listed under Display Adapters without a yellow exclamation mark. Third, check Event Viewer for WHEA Logger. Event 17. If those logs are gone, your link training is officially stable. Solving these early adoption bugs is part of the early access experience with Intel's new hardware. The B580 is an incredible value card. Once these link training issues are resolved, it's a beast for 1440p gaming. It's well worth the initial setup. Did this fix work for you? Drop your motherboard model and CPU in the comments below. Our community is tracking these hardware IDs. Thanks for watching this technical deep dive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2026 hardware troubleshooting. I'll see you in the next one.